So over here you can see that I have a footage, and in this particular footage you can see that there are some dark areas and there are some bright areas. So the bright areas that you see are known as highlights and the dark areas are known as shadows. So if you want to go around and control them individually, then what you can do is you can use shadows and highlights effect. So to do that, you need to go around under effects right here, under color grading. You can go around and see the shadows and highlights option right here. So let me just go around and click and drag this around over here on this particular video footage, and over here you can see that shadow and highlight amount change option pops up. If I want to increase this, then what happens is that the darker areas get brighter, as you can see right here. But if I were to go around with the highlight, then what happens is that the brighter area gets darker, as you can see right here. So usually you can go around, increase out the shadows and decrease out the highlight right here to balance everything out right here and to get more detail. You can go around and change around the width of the shadow right here, change around the radius as well, and change around the black clip, as you can see, to go around and select more. You can go around over here and on the highlights as well. You can go around with the midtones and blend out with the original as well to get the original effect just like this, and that is what you have. So this is the before and after. As you can see, before doesn't have much detail, but after has much detail. So you can see the leaves and much more details of the shade, as you can see right here. And that is how shadows and highlights work. Apart from that, you can also work around with the 3 strip color right here. So if I were to go around and keep that in, then what happens is that you can go around and change around the red, as you can see right here. So you can go around, add in a bit of more red, as you can see right here. You can go around and change around the strength of the green as well, and the strength of the blue as you like right here, according to how you want. There's strong blue, there's strong green as presets, strong purple as preset, strong red as preset, and strong yellow as preset as well. So depending on what you want right here, you can go around and select out the preset that you want right here. And this is the end result, as you can see right here. So this is without, this is the before, and this is the after, as you can see right here. And that is how you can work around with shadow and highlights, and also 3 strip color effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.